I got an oldie but a goodie today, folks. When's the last time you saw one of these things? Mercury Sable, 98, I believe. Customer doesn't want to put any money into it. By that he means very little. She's on her last breath. At any rate, started running pretty rough, you know, especially when it's, you know, high humidity out. Started up, ran it. Number 5 misfire, intermittent, you know, just kind of fish biting there at an idle. Pretty classic telltale sign. I got lucky being number 5, it's in the front here, but I look in this spark plug wire and I can see immediately what the problem is. Let me show you. I don't know if this will show up good on the camera here, but what I usually do is we'll look inside the rubber here and you twirl it around, and if you see the classic lightning bolt, let's see, enhance. And enhance. See that white streak right down the side? So here everything's black, looking good, and you see that white streak down the side? That is classic carbon tracking, and that's what we're going to find on that spark plug. Let's move this little unit out of the way. It's going to be a tribute to Ivan. No parts required. If you guys don't know Ivan, I'll put a link in the video here. Whoa, dude! Oh, that could have got stupid. Ivan runs the Pine Hollow Auto Diagnostic channel. Has a place down there in State College, Pennsylvania. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Plug's excessively worn. There it is, old son. So you see that carbon tracking right down that plug. Everything looks good here. Looking bad there. If we clean that carbon tracking off, this guy's problems will be solved. There, she's looking mint now. I just take this spark plug, go out on the old wire wheel it up, look at the gap, say yep, and you slide it right back in. I guess I should have showed you guys the misfire initially, but you'll have to believe me. Grab our torque wrench here. Oh, there we go. Make sure the rubber came back. There's that. And grab a little dielectric grease / silicone paste. So the dielectric grease in your spark plug boot will help prevent this, because dielectric grease is insulating, and that's the purpose of it. And a spark plug boot is to keep your electrons from flowing out there. Okay. I'm so confident we'll put the cruise control here back. I think that's what this is. Is it? Nope. That's some kind of intake tuning valve controller thing. Runs the intake flapper. Kind of looks like a cruise control module, but it's not. Easy peasy. That style right there. 238K on her. Glass now, boys. Oh no, she's still got a hiccup. I just felt it. Oh, number 6 now. Oh gosh, you guys can't see. Okay, so we got a problem on number 6. We had a problem on number 5. Now we have a little problem on number 6. Alright, well, we don't want it to warm up too much because it might be the same thing. Jeez Louise. So confident too. We're gonna wear these bolts out. We have to be careful. Number 6 still has an original wire. Oh, wasn't even on all the way. Let's get the flashlight here. See what this one looks like. Oh yeah, she's got your classic lightning bolt in it as well. We're gonna find carbon tracking on this one as well, 100% guaranteed. Spark plug was super loose. We had a really loose spark plug. It is a Motorcraft, and she's just starting to get a little tickle down that side right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's probably hard to see on the camera there, because this one wasn't doing it near as bad as the number 5 was. Let me show you inside that plug wire. We're still looking at the no parts required fix though. Let's see here. Get this down where everybody can see. Hence, see that white streak right down the side there? Everything's good here, everything's good. Boom, white streak. Classic carbon tracking. As soon as that electricity finds a path to ground, there ain't no stopping it. She's all shined up. Little piece of Scotch-Brite. How'd we get lucky that both cylinders that were doing this were out here in the open? It never happens that way. Scrape down the tracking there. Find our dielectric grease. Again, I know some of you folks may disagree with this, and that's fine. I know what the customer wants in this case. He sounded like a little bird when he came in. Cheep, 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 cheep. You know what kind of bird that is? It's the cheap, cheap bird. He said the car's not worth putting any money into, but if we can do something cheap, 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 then we will. Okay, now we're done for real. Last time, unless it's cylinder 4, we ain't doing anything else. Let's go. $10,000 reward. Well, let's see what we have now. Let me put her in here. Ooh, she's smooth. Smooth as glass now. Let's see what the computer box tells us. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's give her a little throttle. I don't want to push the brake pedal too hard because you know what these brake lines look like. Back to an idle. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Oh, you're gonna be happy, huh? Doesn't get any cheaper than that, old son. That's it, folks. The classic Russian, no parts required, happy customer out the door. And it's understandable why this guy's not going to put a ton of money into this thing. It's a New York car. It's super rotted. It's old. It's high mileage. I'd have done the same thing. Who knows? Inspection's good for a little while yet, till I don't know, March of next year or something like that. So he can drive it. Engine lights on, bunch of codes in it, transmission codes, this, that, and the other thing. So I'm going to leave a link to Pine Hollow Auto Diagnostics channel down below if you want to see some more no parts required fixes. Ivan is famous for those. That's why we always talk about it in the comment section. But all kidding aside, great dude, super intelligent, not afraid to take on anything, gets himself into some real messes where I question why, Ivan, why would you take that job on? But he loves it and he does it. So go check out his channel, subscribe. If you like our channel, you'll like his channel. That's my personal unlimited limited guarantee for you. When you're down there looking for that, leave me a comment. Insta, Facebook. Let me know I'm a hack for fixing a customer's car like this. And just remember, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.